Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health and Fitness, the go-to place for all things health and wellness. Today, we've got a special challenge lined up for you, the Ultimate 7-Day Belly Fat Burn Challenge. If you've been looking to shed that stubborn belly fat, you're in the right place. I'm Akshay, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this transformative journey. Step 1. Setting realistic goals. Before we dive in, it's crucial to set realistic goals. Losing belly fat in a week is ambitious, so focus on progress rather than perfection. Aim for a healthy and sustainable lifestyle change. Let's get started. Step 2. Hydration and nutrition. Hydration is key. Start your day with a glass of water and keep hydrated throughout. Now, let's talk nutrition. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of veggies. Minimize processed foods and sugar. Check out our meal plan for the week in the description below. Step 3. High-intensity interval training. Time to sweat it out. Incorporate HIIT workouts into your routine. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods can boost your metabolism and burn fat. Check out our recommended HIIT workout routine for the week in the description. Step 4. Core strengthening exercises. Target that stubborn belly fat with core strengthening exercises. Planks, crunches, and leg raises are fantastic choices. Consistency is key, so add these exercises to your daily routine. We've got a detailed workout plan in the description for you to follow along. Step 5. Get enough sleep. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to support your body's recovery and metabolism. Step 6. Stress management. Stress can contribute to belly fat. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation or yoga into your daily routine. Find what works for you and make it a priority. Step 7. Track your progress. Lastly, track your progress. Take measurements, photos, and note how you feel. Celebrate small victories and use any setbacks as learning opportunities. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. And there you have it, the